Welcome back to another episode of EST plugins for music production I believe you're going to like. My name is Coinx and you're welcome to CoinxDaProducer. You know, sometimes when you try to cut out frequencies from a sample you're working on, using traditional EQ, you notice you're not just cutting out that frequency, you're cutting out some other important frequencies that helps to make the sample fuller, richer, or stronger. Now, it also applies to when you are boosting. You see yourself boosting mod frequencies, harmonics, and things like that. And that's in some cases make your production come out the way you don't want, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Now, this is where this plugin we'll be checking out today comes in handy. Plugin we are talking about is called Harmonic DNA Reconstruction, and it is by RAWL. So what we'll be doing today is to go through this plugin and see if it is something you would like to keep. The Harmonic DNA Reconstruction EQ by RAWL is a specialized audio plugin designed to isolate the core pitch, which is the fundamental frequency of a sound, and dynamically manipulates its specific harmonic overtones, specifically the second through ninth harmonics. Unlike traditional audio processors that apply broad changes to a specific frequency range, this plugin focuses on shaping the timbre, character, and perceived presence of an instrument or voice based exactly on what note it is playing. Alright, looking at the UI is a calm, chill interface, and you can see to the left you see some knobs. This is for decibel and this is for Q. And same to the right section here. Now at the center you'll see this frequency range adjustment feature. It goes from 20 Hz up to 6000 Hz, and below here you will get this input knob, output knob, and a mix knob. Let's go through the factor presets and try them out. We'll start with this one, which is for drums, and this is for the kick. And you can clearly hear this plugin pushing out those important frequencies, fundamental frequencies of this kick, enhancing it with the help of the harmonics. Alright, for me, for kick, I think this one works best. This preset called Kick Roundness. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will try it on snare, and then we play the two with the plugin enabled and without it, and now hear the difference. Alright, let's try it on vocals using these air presets. I saw one here that says air without sibilance. Let's see how it sounds. Nothing will ever stop me. 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 Alright guys, I believe you had it. One thing I observe is the impact is subtle, so you barely see what is happening, and according to the developer, it manipulates or enhances from the second harmonics up to the ninth harmonics of any sample you apply it on. But don't take it for what I'm saying, try it out and let us know what you think. Then one more thing I would like to see is I want to try it on a sine wave and manipulate this plugin to see what is happening, to see if we can see the number of harmonics it is adding to the sine wave. And from this example, you notice while I was manipulating and increasing the decibel of the frequency, like they said, it will only affect that particular tone you're working on. You notice that the decibel, the volume of this sine wave kept increasing. But maybe I'm not doing it right. Unfortunately, I wasn't seeing number of harmonics it was producing. Following the normal logic, we're supposed to see different harmonics pop up on this visualizer here, but we didn't see that. Maybe it could be these ones coming up here, these extra ones around this region. I'm not sure, but let me know what you think guys. When you try it out, feel free to share your thoughts, your findings in the comments below. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, share your honest thoughts, free, and remember, I bring free plugins and free alternative to paid plugins, review them here so that we'll discuss about it and see if it is worth having or not. So guys, if you want to check out more amazing free tools I've covered on this channel, the video on the screen right now is a playlist and I covered a lot of free tools. Go there, who knows, you might find something super useful, and I'll see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.